We just integrated Video Agent API into Claude Code. All you need is HeyGen Claude Skill and HeyGen API key. Then you can automate production-ready videos with just one prompt. Let me show you exactly how to do it. To learn more about Video Agent API, you can open HeyGen API doc, switch to API reference, and you can see the details under Video Agent section. To get your API key, just open heygen.com, log in, click on your profile, settings, API, and here you can create your own HeyGen API key. And now I want to show you how to use Video Agent and Claude Code Skill to generate a video with one single prompt. You just need to paste this command into your terminal. This is the empty repository. I just paste my HeyGen API key into .env file. Now I'm installing HeyGen Claude Skill. Enter, done. And now I need to create a Claude session. So here you can type your prompts. I already prepared the prompt. This is my prompt. Create a video using Video Agent about recent technology advancement, focusing on recent enhancement in MCP. My HeyGen API key is in .env and video duration should be around 30 seconds. So let me just copy this and paste it here. And now Claude asks me if I need to do the web search to prepare a prompt or not. I can say yes. Okay, now the prompt is ready. The duration is 30 seconds and orientation is landscape. And now the video has been submitted successfully and I have my video ID. It would take around 5 to 10 minutes to get my video. You can also log into your HeyGen account and you can see the result there as well. Now the video is ready. I can open HeyGen, projects, and I can see the video here. Let me open that.
The way AI connects to the world just changed forever. Here is what you need to know about MCP.
Get started on HeyGen.com today.